Okay, so today we're putting in a 15 horsepower chiller pump motor. I had to pull this off the back of my truck using a little bit of ingenuity. Got it down. I've got a dial indicator here so we could balance out the shaft and the low joy connection, as well as some shims so we could level out this motor. Yeah, box of shims in there. Alright, so I'll turn you on bit by bit, go through the process, and I'm just waiting for the maintenance guy to show up so we can unlock this room. Chiller's over there, pump room's right behind me. Okay, we're here in the pump room. I've got chiller pump number 1, chiller pump number 2. That's 2, that's 1. That's coming out. This motor is slightly different. It's probably a different revision, so we'll just double check these wires, make sure that they go up the same way, or if not, we'll wire it according to what the wiring diagram says on that one. You can wire up these motors either 208, 460, so that's the difference that I'm talking about right there. I'll just verify I don't have any power coming into this box. I've got it shut off, locked out, tagged out, but I just want to make sure I don't have any. Okay, now I have to disconnect the rubber coupling, the lovejoy that goes between the motor and the pump impeller. So it's just a matter of taking off these set screws and then pulling these collars back, and this rubber connector in the middle, it just comes off between the two collars. To lift that collar off, I just want to put a little bit of oil on the inside of the shaft, make it a little bit easier. Slip that collar off. So I got the new motor ready on the base plate. I'm just gonna couple it up. We've got some shims, we'll make sure that it gets lined up, and we'll tie in the electrical. Okay, so here's the finished product. Everything's put together. This deal is an auto. That puppy is running. And there are my numbers right there when I do my diagnostic. So we're well below the rated amp draw, 18 amps. And it's running smooth. Unfortunately, I couldn't do the video portion where I was balancing out with a gauge because the maintenance guy came through. And I didn't want to be rude and, you know, have a video going while he was trying to talk to me. So I did that process while he was here. Shortly after, started wiring up everything at the junction box according to the wiring diagram, and just got it fired up, and it's running good. So I've been doing, like I said, controls for the past 3 years, trying to get back into service. So any kind of criticism, or you know, you guys got something to add to help me perform my job better, you know, let me know in the comments. I'm not super tech, you know, I just do the best I can, and have a great time doing it. So thanks for watching.